it's starting to rain so bad. We have to go. We have to run home. I'm out of here. Help!
So much for a walk.
Really? Now it's drizzling. Like,
No, so much for the poop. Really?
yeah.
It's drizzling.
Now it's drizzling. All right, well, let's head home fast, right, Matt?
No. Can we?
Come on, right? We're heading home fast.
Want to go in the pool?
No.
Why not?
Because I'm freezing right now. We're running. We need, oh my God. Matt, come on. I have to get inside. Matt, hurry up. My phone's so quick. Guys, hurry up, guys. I'm getting rid of it. Matt, hold the camera. Hold the camera. You talk with them.
Hey guys, what's up? It's just raining pretty hard, so we ran back here instead of walking the dog. It was raining so hard.
Let's take those shoes off like right here because it has poop on it. Yeah.
Mine don't.
And guys, Matt, can I see the phone real quick? My mom might kill me. And guys, my mom saw one of my videos and she said, stop wrestling. I'm like, oh, come on. So that's why I had to end the video. But we're going back upstairs because it's like, look outside right now, guys. Okay, it's pouring.
Who wants burgers and who wants hot dogs?
I want hot dog.
I want one of both. Burger.
Ask the girls. They need to know if
All right, we're gonna ask the girls.
Jaden,
What?
do you think it's possible to get out of this?
All right. Bye, guys. See you later.